Hi, today I will teach you how to pay some loyalty. First, you need to get a workbox to get some weapons and pick up some useful methods. This gun can launch range attack enemies. Go outside and try catch him. Though he get trapped. Heal for to cover the half-back. This gun can fast shoot and high damage. This gold box can have a better weapon to get. These are the weapons when you can check. 2 email is coming. Get a email vest and you cover the email gun. Oh, this email also come. She's still coming. This is one skill for attack image. Oh, the possum circle is coming, and next time I should heal it fast and avoid in the possum circle.